One of the downsides of having a rule in a math class is he tries to tie everything together. It's also one of the upsides. I'm trying to show you everything connects to everything else. It can be frustrating, though, when you're trying to compartmentalize the knowledge into places, which is this is why your question is so good. So what you're learning how to do at this moment with this little booklet is you're actually learning two things. The first thing you're learning is actually statistical. Actually, they're both statistical. The first thing you're learning is how to take a bunch of data in an XY table and create a scatter plot. So that scatter plot we had on the board earlier, you're learning how to do that in your TIs. This is a skill we're going to use for the first like 3 or 4 weeks of this course. And you might even take, how many of you guys have made a scatter plot in Excel? Nobody yet. Oh, a couple of you. I know, made you do it. A couple of you. So you're making a scatter plot. That's the first thing you're learning how to do with this little booklet, which is taking an XY table of data, getting it into your TI, and taking a look at it. And the reason why is, I'm going to give Jeremiah credit for this one. Go ahead, my friend. You want to be able to look at the data and say, ooh, that data looks like it's going in a line. Oh, that data is decreasing with a curve. Oh, that data is going up and then down and then up and then down and then up and then down. Sometimes you can't tell that by looking at a data table. Sometimes you have to look at the actual shape in a two-dimensional image to see any underlying behavior. So that's a very long answer to your first question. The next thing we're doing is, once we've gotten the data and we've looked at it and we've decided, ooh, it's predictably linear, the second part of the booklet is showing you how to get that 1.05x plus 33.1. Remember that line that I said was the best fit line, y equals 1.05x plus 33? This is going to show you how to get that. Exactly. It's going to do that horrific calculation that you saw up there over my shoulder. It's doing all that for you. I know you can do that calculation. I also know that if all of us started right now, we'd all be done by about 3:30 and we'd all have done it wrong because chances are we would have screwed it up somewhere. So we're going to let the machine, I know you guys can add, subtract, and multiply, and divide, and I'm pretty sure you can do exponents. So I don't need to test that. I want to test the results of that. And that's what the questions on the board after that were. We'll get back to those. We'll get back to those. So essentially, I put the title on top of the booklet, using the TI-83 to create a scatter plot and perform a linear regression. The linear regression is the title of what you're doing. You're regressing to the mean line. There's an average line in there. You're regressing it for using a verb versus a noun. You're using mathematics and statistics to figure out what that line is. Cool? Awesome question. Awesome question. So, have at it. Work with each other, work by yourselves. I'll be wandering around in case you get stuck. This is my gift to you. I can autograph later.